So let's move on now and have a look at the number of active ADCs by disease indication. If we break down the number of ADCs by solid and hematological cancers, we can see that there are a lot more drugs in the solid cancer space, particularly in the earlier phases, so phase 1 and phase 2. In phase 3 and licensed, that there's the same number in hematological and solid cancers. But there are twice as many ADCs for solid cancers as there are for hematological cancers. Also of note is that there are 3 times more discontinued ADCs for solid indications. So we've got 20 different ADCs that have been discontinued for solid tumours and 6 for hematological cancers. And this indicates that whilst there's a tremendous effort in identifying different ADCs and starting new ADCs into the clinic, some will work and others won't, and you know, the space is still very competitive. So breaking down the solid tumours into the number of active ADCs for solid tumours rather than and breaking down into different diseases, you can see that the majority of the ADCs that we have here are targeting either breast cancer or lung cancer. There are very few drugs targeting at the lower end of the scale, mesothelioma and liver cancer, for example. And in the middle, we've got several active drugs for ovarian and prostate and pancreatic and a variety of other different solid tumours. And then looking at the same graph and doing the same analysis for hematological tumours, we can see lots of ADCs for leukemia and non-Hodgkin lymphoma. Although, to be honest, these are pretty broad disease classifications, but there are quite a lot of common and broad overlap of the targets of hematological cancers. So whereas one ADC, say targeting CD30 or CD25, can be used in multiple disease indications such as Hodgkin and non-Hodgkin and lymphoma, leukemia.